So today I'm going to introduce to the new feature which is shift management. We launched this feature in the last update of the Worksuite. So earlier in the earlier versions there was no possibilities of creating multiple shifts and assigning team members to different shifts. So in the last release we have released this feature, and in this feature you can create multiple shifts and assign shifts to different team members as per your requirements. So first we have to go to the attendance settings, and in the attendance settings that you will see that there are two tabs. First is the attendance settings, which are the general settings, and second one is the employee shifts. When you go to the employee shifts, you will see that there is already one general shift being created. Now here you can see that there is one option which is add new employee shift. So you can create new shift from here. Like if you want to create the night shift, you can simply set a name, and you can just simply a short code for this for the same, so that to identify on the shift roster page a simple color code just for the more clarification, and then just set the timings for the shift. I'm just creating for the reference. You can change the timing as per your requirement. So now you can see that there are two shifts. One is the general shift and second is the night shift. All the details for the shift will be visible here, and you can create or edit and delete multiple shifts as you want. Created the multiple shifts, you can and when you go to the HR, you will see that there is a menu which is called shift roster. When you go to the shift roster, you will see that the list of all the employees. The page looks similar to the attendance, but on the attendance you can only see that which employee is present and what are the attendance timing for that employee. But on the shift roster, instead of the attendance, you will see to assign the shift for that employee. There are two options to assign shift. One is the assign bulk shift. So when you click on the assign bulk shift, you can, let's suppose you want to assign shift for all the public relations employee. You can simply select all, select the shift which you want to assign to them. Let's suppose you want to assign them night shift. Then either you can create multiple dates, or you can assign the full month. Let's suppose I want to assign full month, let's suppose May, to all the public relation employee. You can simply select May and the year. And if you want to send the email also to all the employees, then you can check or uncheck as per your requirement. I am not going to send the email right now, so I am just clicking the save. So as you see, this employee was in the public relation department, and the shift has been assigned as night shift for the complete May month. Now suppose if you want to change for the shift for the particular date, let's suppose for the 19th of May, then you can simply click on this, click on the general shift or whatever shift you want to change to, and click save. So you can see that shift has been changed to the general shift for this particular 19th of May. You can also instead of creating bulk shift, you can add shift one by one for each date. Like let's suppose I want to assign shift for the 3rd May for this employee, then I will simply click on the plus icon, select the shift I want to assign on this 3rd of May, and then click save. So you can see that general shift has been assigned for the 3rd May. Now when these employees will log in to their dashboard, they can see their shift schedule here. So let's suppose let me assign shift for myself. You have assigned the shifts to the employee. Once the employee will log into their dashboard, they can see the future shift for their current week or their current month only. So as you can see that today when I am recording this video, it's 30th of May. So I can see 30 and 31st of May shifts right now, that I have been assigned general shift for 30 and 31st of May. When I will click on the employee shift, I can see more details about the shift timings here. If you have not provided the manage shift permission to that particular employee, these action column will not show to them. Only they can see the timings of that shift. So as you can see that there is option to request change for the shift. Suppose I want to come for the night shift on the 31st of May. So I can simply click on the request change, select the shift, and then simply click save. Now at this time a notification will be sent to the admin or the HR. When they will go to the shift roster and go to the shift change request page, they can see my request over there that the employee has requested for the night shift on 31st of May and the status is waiting. They can, from the action button, they can approve or decline my request. If they approve, a notification will be sent to me, and on my dashboard I can, as an employee, I can see that my shift has been updated to the night shift, and same will be reflected on the shift roster page also. You can see here that on the 31st night shift has been assigned to me. To manage these employee shifts, we have created a new custom permission in the attendance module. When you go to the roles and permission and choose the role, you can see that in the attendance module there is a new permission called manage employee shifts. In the manage employee shifts, there are two options, all or none. If you want to assign this permission, simply choose this option as all, otherwise set it as none. All we have in the shift roster. So if you have any suggestions, please send us in the comments of this video. We will definitely look into your suggestion and will improve this feature. Thank you.